Hi everybody, Louise here. So I'm just in my car, I'm about to go to the gym and spa, but I thought I'd just do a quick Facebook Live just to talk about building up momentum in your business. So my videos are really for beginners in the industry, people that feel like they're getting stuck and not progressing in their business, or people that feel like they've just sort of like plateaued and they're not sure how to take it to the next level. So I'm a real goal getter. I'm very motivated in life in general and also in business, but I haven't always been that way. And once I reached that level in my life where I became very passionate about what I do on a daily basis, my whole life has changed, both personally and in business. So it's proof to me that if you do it, it 100% works. So I really want to just give a few helpful tips, just a very quick Facebook Live, just to talk about building up momentum in your business so that you can then put this into practice. And if you do it consistently for 90 days, I can assure you that you'll have a different business in 90 days from now than what you have today by doing simple things. But if you never ever build that momentum up in your business, then you're going to be constantly chasing. And 2 golden rules: never chase people, never chase money. If people are interested in you, then accept it and move on. Don't try and chase the money, because the more you try and chase the money, the more the money will run away from you. You need to attract these things into your life. Now, to build momentum up in your business, it takes daily hustle. Now, whether you're using paid traffic, Facebook stories, solo ads, you can go down that route, but then you have to be pumping money into that, which is fine, but not everybody has a marketing budget to spend lots of money on traffic. Therefore, a lot of the strategies that I teach and that I follow personally is free Facebook strategies. Now, you can get momentum building up in your Facebook profile quickly if you start having daily consistency. By that I mean you need to post consistently, you need to be getting in touch with people consistently, and I want you to think about how long does it take you on average to get 1 sale in your business? How many days? Does it take weeks? You know, has it taken you months? I want you to think really hard about how long it normally takes you to get the average sale. Then I want you to think about how much money is that average sale worth to you and your time in the business that you're in. And then I want you to think, how do I want to change my life in the business that I'm in? And I truly believe that the kind of figure that everybody should be aiming for is a 10K mark. Because if you can reach 10K in a month in your business, then you can take your business to whatever level that you want. But if you never reach enough momentum to get to 10K in a month, I believe that between 0 and 10, you'll be constantly like this, where if you smash 10K, once you get to that level, you can then just take it to wherever you want. So to get that momentum building, to get to 10K, you're either in a business that's low ticket, low value, which is normally like a traditional MLM, where you need to be relying on your team, for example, to be earning money from them. Now, in my eyes, it's harder to make 10K in that kind of business. And the reason why is because people leave your team, or you recruit people that just aren't goal getters and they don't put the time and effort in, they don't get that momentum building. Therefore, they're not getting sales, which means that you're not earning commission from them. So for me personally, I find that that's very time consuming. You get very disheartened because you put all this time and effort into these people that then don't duplicate for you to earn from them. And then they leave, so then you've got to recruit somebody else. So you're always constantly chasing your tail. So very quickly into the industry, within the first month, I realised that I need to be looking for something else. I didn't want to have to rely on earning from a team. I wanted to make my own money so I could concentrate on mastering my skills, and then when I grow a team, I was helping my team to then replicate and duplicate what I do. But once people join my team, I make 1 commission from them only. When they then recruit, I make nothing, and I prefer that. It's called direct sales. I prefer the fact that I get paid a high commission when they first join me, of like $1,500 when someone joins me. I then help them to be able to do the same, but I'm not having to rely on them to get to my 10k. So I only have to make 7 sales in a month in this business to get to 10k. Now, for you to get to 10k in your business, how many sales will that take you? You know, are you making $100 per sale? Therefore you need 100 sales. Are you making $1,000 per sale? So you need 10 sales. The higher ticket you sell your products for, the easier it is. I would rather sell high ticket, because people that have to spend larger amounts of money tend to be more committed into their business, because they're not going to spend $3 to join a business and then not try, where they're going to spend $30 to join a business or $100 to join a business and then think, I can't be arsed, it's only $100, that's all I've lost. Where if they're spending a large amount of money, they're already committing financially, which means that they've got that mindset of, I'm going to make this work, I'm going to do everything I need to do. So to build up the momentum in your business, think about how long it takes you to get 1 sale, and then I want you to 10 times your effort. How many people do you speak to on average in a day? I want you to 10 times it. How many people do you follow up in Messenger daily? And then I want you to 10 times it. I can guarantee, if you think you're working hard enough now in your business, I can guarantee that most people on Facebook aren't. And I'm not here to be like a little Hitler. I'm here to help people get results. And I'm here to motivate you, to tell you that you can absolutely get 10k and beyond in your business. But if you're currently not getting that, especially if you're in a high ticket business, if you've been in business more than like 6 months, 12 months and you haven't reached that 10k, I'm not here to bully people and say, oh, you should be, but I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible for you to get to that amount. So you need to speak to more people on a daily basis. You need to add more Facebook friends, but it's quality, not quantity. Don't be going down the old school marketing routes of targeting friends and family, then adding their friends and family, following up with people you went to school with, then adding their friends and family. That's just old school marketing. It doesn't work. You're going to be constantly trying to persuade people that they need this product. What you need to do is be reaching out into Facebook groups with people that are the people that you want to work with, the people that you would love to have on your team. Look at successful people on Facebook, look at what they do, and then mirror it by bringing your own personality into it, so you're branding yourself. Back on again, I don't know what happened there. It just like completely cut off. So yeah, so you need to get that momentum building daily. So if you're not getting the results, you know, if you haven't hit your first $1,000 in your business yet, you know, in a month, you need to 10 times every single thing that you're doing. Speak to 10 times more people in a day. Follow up with 10 times more people. Add 10 times more people into your friends list. You can have 5,000 friends on your Facebook. If you're not maxed out to 5,000 friends, you need to be adding 20 people in the morning, 20 people in an evening, but not just everybody and anybody to be popular. You need to be adding targeted people in your niche, in your industry. So depending on what business you're in, you need to be finding people through Facebook groups, finding people in forums, finding people on Facebook pages, interacting and engaging with them, then sending out a friend request. And the reason why I say that you need to 10 times everything is because once that momentum is building, like the wheel of a car, it needs to start with it slow, it needs a real push. Then as the speed starts to go up, it gets faster and faster and faster. Once your business is at this level, I can assure you that then, instead of you having to target everybody else and start adding people, messaging people, they all start coming to you. So you wake up on a morning with your messenger stacked out with people reaching out to you to say, what is it that you do? I'm interested in your business. That then means that the hard work that you've done prior is eased off, and then you're spending more time then following up with people in Messenger and helping them. But like attracts like. So then what you're doing is you've already attracted the targeted people, which are already warm leads, into your inbox to find out more. So when you get that level of momentum built up in your business, it's then far easier to get the results. But until you're getting people reaching out to you and sending you friend requests, you're the one that has to be the hunter, not the hunted. So you've got to do all the work to start with. But I promise you that if you do this on a daily basis, add new friends, message people, post content daily that is quality to get engagement, getting people talking on your posts, follow up with every single person that comments on your posts, do an emoji to like or love it, and then go in and comment to the first comment as soon as you can. As soon as somebody's passed a comment on your post, you need to follow up with that person by writing a comment literally as soon as you can. And the reason why is because it boosts you in the algorithm score. Facebook are looking for interaction, people to people, because it's a social media platform. So they want to see that if somebody's commented to you, you're commenting back. And then as soon as the second person's done it, do it. I understand that you've all got full-time jobs, you've got children, you're busy. But if you can just get in contact with the first 2 or 3 people and then just like and love everybody else's, and then several hours later when you're free, go back in and comment on the next 3 or 4, what this does is it puts your post back into the news feed again, because Facebook are thinking, oh, there's interaction on that again, that's popular. They're going to put it back into the news feed. So you're going to get boosted several separate times with your one post, just by you connecting with people again. So to get people to comment on your posts for engagement, the content you're providing needs to be quality, but you are better off asking a question, write something of value, then ask a question on it, because you're asking for people to reply. Because if not, people will just like or love it. But if you ask a question, then you're asking them to respond, which then means that you're opening up that post to getting engagement on it. Again, if you do this daily and you post between 1 to 3 times a day on Facebook, you don't need to post any more times than that. Don't be overly obsessed with liking and commenting on everybody's content in your newsfeed. Majority of those people aren't going to be your people for your business. What you need to be doing is concentrating your time as a network marketer or an affiliate marketer, MLM direct sales. You need to be focusing your time on Facebook. You can have a very, very lucrative business in just 1 to 2 hours a day on Facebook. You don't need to be on it 24/7 to make really life-changing money. But if you're focusing a lot of your time on the wrong people, then they're never ever going to read your message and it tick and connect with them. If you get your right message in front of the right people, that's then when your conversions start to level up to the next level, and that 10k is soon very easy to achieve. Now, if you're trying to strive for 10k a month, I want you to be aiming for 100k a month. I know you're going to think, this woman is insane, I'm never going to get that. But it doesn't matter. It's the fact is that you're telling yourself in your mind that you're going to reach 100k. Of course, the chance of you reaching that to start with is very, very slim. But your work ethic won't be. If you tell yourself you want to get to 10k, I can guarantee that when you get to 5k, you're going to think, oh great, I'm halfway through. You're going to slack off. You're going to start getting a bit confident and thinking, God, got to 5k, like, you know, halfway into the month. This is going to be easy. I'm easily going to smash 10k. You're going to ease your foot off the pedal. If you think once you get to 5k, you've got another 95k to go, you're going to keep that momentum building all month. Then when you get to the last week of the month, I can guarantee that you'll have either hit that 10k or you've already gone past it, and then that will have proved to you that when you've pushed yourself past your comfort zone and really, really pushed yourself in a month, you'll blow your own goddamn mind with what results you can achieve. And I'm speaking from experience. I thought if I could earn 10k in a month, I would be absolutely over the moon. I never ever thought when I started out that I would be reaching that in such a short space of time. To now, after listening to Grant Cardone, it's like 10 times your life, and it 10 times is everything. 10 times your income, 10 times your work ethic, 10 times the quality of people in your life, 10 times your lifestyle. It's not all just about the money, it's about the freedom that it gives you. The more money you earn, the easier it is to cover your bills. Then it means that then you've got more time to be social, go on holidays, spend time with your family and friends. So when people say, you know, money's not important, I can see it from both sides. But we all need money to survive. We all need to pay our bills. A lot of people want to get out of debt. A lot of people want to have a better quality of life. And money pays for all of that. but you have to enjoy what you do. And if you're spending time on Facebook talking to the wrong people that just keep saying no, 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 you're talking to the wrong mindset, you're talking to the wrong people. So you need to focus on getting your message in front of the right people, and by doing that you have to target those people by going out and finding them. Then once you've got a Facebook starting to be filled with the right kind of people, then your momentum is what then starts to be built. Then you've got entrepreneurs and successful people commenting on your posts. They understand what you're doing, so they'll comment more on your posts. Then you start to build that momentum even more. Then, because like attracts like, those people start reaching out to you and want to be your friends. They want to follow you. They want to be in contact with you. They want to learn from you. That is then at that point where I truly believe that you've built enough momentum to get your business up to that next level. So I hope there's been some helpful tips here, and I'm sorry it went off halfway through. I don't know what caused the connection to cut off. But have a great day, everybody, and I hope it's motivated you for the week ahead. Take care. Bye.